little more mayonnaise in it. She has stir it around right now. Crab salad.
That's the best. This is fire. Taste it. It's good.
What?
This is about to be some rice. I don't know how your husband eat, but mine eat like a king. Rice.